Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to learn how to design attractive business card in Photoshop. Before getting started, please do download the project file link in the description. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. So download the project file and get ready. In case if you want the completely designed .psd files means, hit the like button. Soon after reaching 500 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to the project file, open the front PSD inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file, size is standard business card size. I have given you the color palette, the colors we are going to use in this design. This canvas include bleed, trim line and safety margins, so you don't need to worry about anything, you can straight away start designing it. Fine, next we are going to create a solid color background. For that go to the background group, create a layer. Now go to color picker, sample and select this yellow color. If you want, you can pick any color you want. Now fill the color. I used keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Next we're going to create an image placeholder. For that we're going to install a new brush. Now go to the project file. There you'll see a Photoshop brush file. Now double click and install the file. Now roll back to Photoshop. Now go to image group, create a layer. Now go to color picker, pick black color. Now pick the brush tool. Now I'm going to select the newly installed brush. This one, paint brush. Fine. Now reduce the brush size. Next I'm going to give few clicks to create a image placeholder like so. Yes, this shape going to act as our image placeholder. We are going to drop in our image here. Now it's time to drop in our model image. Now go to the project file. Open the model image inside Photoshop. Of course you can use your image. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image right above our image placeholder layer. Now right click and clip mask the layer. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. Fine, once you're done, next we're going to drop in a flower stock image on left side top. Now go to the project file, open the image to flower stock image inside Photoshop. This one is neatly cropped .png file. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'm going to place this image on left side top. It's up to you, you can place it wherever you want. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Next it's time to add our text content. I'm going to add my name and designation. Now go to text group, create a layer. Now go to color picker, pick black color. The font I'm using is a free font. I'll give a link in the description, you can download it if you want. Now type in your name. I'll create a duplicate copy using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J, move it down. I'll add my designation. Adjust the position and spacings using keyboard arrow keys. Once you're done, our business card front side is ready. Now save the file. Now let's move to back side of our business card. Now go to project file. Open the back PSD file inside Photoshop. And yes, this one also design ready file. I have given you the color palette and also include the bleed, trim line and safety margin guidelines. Now we are going to create a solid color background. For that go to background group, create a layer, go to color picker. I'm going with same yellow color. Now fill the color using keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Next we're going to drop in a flower stock image on right side. Now go to the project file. Open the image3 stock image inside Photoshop. And yes, this one is neatly cropped .png file. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I'll place it on right side. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize it and place it where you want. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Now I'm going to create a duplicate copy of this image by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. Move it to left side. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T. Right click and flip it horizontally. Now hold shift key and reduce the image size a little bit. Now I'm going to give a little bit of rotation. I'm going to place it on left side bottom here. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Next it's time to add our text content. I'll start by adding my name and designation. Go to text group, create a layer. Now go to color picker, pick black color. The font I'm using is a free font. Yes, I'm using the very same font. Now type in your name. Now create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J, move it down. Now add your designation. I'll reduce the font size. Adjust the position using keyboard arrow keys. Once you're done, next we're going to add our contact details. Before that, we're going to drop in icons. For that, go to the project file, open the icons.psd file inside Photoshop. This one is a pre-designed icon. Now drag and drop the icons group inside our canvas like so. I'm going to place the group right above our text group. I'm going to move and place the icons here. In case if you want to change the icon color means, select the respective icon layer, double click thumbnail and you can change the color like so. Here I'm not going to change the color, I'll settle with black color. Next it's time to add our contact details text content. Now go to text group, create a layer, go to color picker, I'm going with same black color. I'm going to reduce the font size a little bit and style to light. Now add your contact detail. Adjust the position using keyboard arrow keys. Now I'm going to create 3 duplicate copies using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J, another one Ctrl J and another copy. I'm sure now you know what to do. I'm going to edit the text and add my contact details. Once you're done, our business card is ready. Now close the group. Now save the file. In case if you want to print the file means export the template as PNG, JPEG or PDF and get it printed. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel and please do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.